Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is simple interest, which is a basic arithmetic topic and is very much important to our all competitive exam like SSC, CGL, CPO, MTS, railway exam as well as state police exam. So the basic the basic definition of simple interest is that it is a basic fixed percentage on the original principal amount of charge of money over a certain period of time. And the basic formula of simple interest is SI is denoted by simple interest equal to P principal into time into rate of interest by 100. And we can also write like SI equals to P into T into R percentage, and that percentage is divided into this from 100. So we can take a sample question. With the help of this question you can clarify your basic doubt about how simple interest is work. So here is principal denoted by P given as 10k, and time is denoted by 3 years, and rate of interest means R is given 12% per annum. So we have to done within a few seconds because from the formula PTR into 100, so directly we can multiply 3 into 12, 36% on principal. So SI equals to 10,000 into 36 percentage. So from percentage 2 zeros cancel, 36. So and from if the question is asked what is a amount, then we can just add 3,600 with 10k. So our answer is 10,000 plus 3,600, which is 13,600. So this is the basic question for understanding. So here is the PIQ of previous year's question, which is a basic question. So in that question, the ratio of amount, please listen carefully guys, the ratio of amount means the principal is given and the amount received means simple amount means after adding simple interest is 8, 5 is to 8 in 5 years. So we can do like here is P, here is A, and the value is 5, 8, and the gap is SI, and the gap is 3. So and the question is asked find rate of interest mean R. So from formula SI equal to PTR by 100 and R equals to SI. SI means 3 into 100 divided by P. Here P is 5. 5 into here T is 5 years. 5. So 5 5 is 25. 25 4 is 100. So 3 into 4, 12%. So this is the question of this answer, 12%. So this type of question is a very basic part, as this is my first video on simple interest, so the level is very much easy. Try to solve one question like this type so you can build confidence in exam. So thank you guys. If my video is good, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye.